In this video, I will show you how to edit the Tools Param Mapping within ZIA Agents, what function they serve, and why they are essential for your agent to interact correctly with the Zoho CRM APIs. Each tool that we add to an agent in ZIA Agents connects with one or more APIs. These APIs need to receive specific data, for example, a record ID, a module name, or contact fields. The Tools Param Mapping defines where the agent gets these values each time it performs an action. In other words, it is the map that indicates the source of the information that the API will use. In the Tools Param Mapping window, you will see three main columns. Model. The value is automatically filled based on the information processed by the AI model. On trigger, the value is passed at the moment the agent is triggered by the user or an event. Constant. The value is manually defined, such as a fixed or pre-configured data. Below, the parameters corresponding to each API appear, for example, get contacts record count, get accounts record count, update single deal record, among others. Before we continue, a quick message from our sponsors.
Learn while AI works for you. With our agents and the Enterprise Manager portal, your company connects, learns, and makes decisions in real time. Automate reports, integrate data, and turn clicks into value. InterConnecta.com, knowledge that drives innovation.
Thank you for taking a moment. Let's continue with the class. Suppose you have a sales agent who needs to update a deal in Zoho CRM. In the Update Single Deal Record parameter, you will see fields such as deal_name, stage, or next_step. If the agent should automatically take these data from the conversation context, select Model. If instead you want to use a fixed value, for example, always update the same field, select Constant and enter the value manually. Similarly, if the value should come directly from the user who activates the agent, for example, when they type Update this deal, you will select on trigger. Properly configuring the parameters has three key benefits. Accuracy. The agent always knows where to get the data from, avoiding errors in API calls. Security. You can limit which values are fixed, which come from the user, and which come from the model. Efficiency. It optimizes communication between the agent and the CRM, reducing response times. I recommend that you check that all mandatory parameters are assigned. Uncheck optional parameters that you do not use to avoid errors. Save the changes and perform tests in test agent mode before deploying. And that's it. This is how you can properly edit and configure your agent's Tools Param Mapping in ZIA Agents. With good mapping, your AI assistant will be able to communicate with Zoho CRM APIs accurately, securely, and fully automated. If you want to learn how to build a complete agent from scratch, I invite you to take the free ZIA Agents course at IC Academy.